girl, don't lie to me. Tell me where did you sleep last night? In the pines, where the sun don't ever shine, I shiver the whole night through. My girl, where will you go? I am going where the cold wind blows. In the pines, where the sun don't ever shine, I shiver the whole night through. Her husband was a hard-working man, just about a mile from here. His head was found in a driving wheel, but his body never was found. My girl, don't lie to me. Tell me where did you sleep last night? In the pines, where the sun don't ever shine, I shiver the whole night through. My girl, where will you go? I'm going where the cold wind blows. In the pines, where the sun don't ever shine, I shiver the whole night through. My girl, won't lie to me. Tell me where did you sleep last night? In the pines, where the sun don't ever shine, I shiver the whole night through. My girl, where will you go? I'm going where the cold wind blows. In the pines, where the sun don't ever shine, I shiver the whole night through.
Louise, what do you think of Zach's performance?
Zach, that was by far my favourite performance of yours so far. Not even just, I think, in this competition, but I think like from the beginning of when I first saw you ever. The way that you put that growl in your voice and that grittiness, like, it was just so special. It was really, really stunning. Perfect song choice for you. And I think you've really started to find your niche and where you fit well in terms of genre. And I think kind of like alternative rocky is where you sit fabulously. You were just really powerful, and it grew, and that towards the end, the section that we went massive, it was just so passionate. Like, you could see it. You were just giving it absolutely everything you've got. And that is what it's all about. Is showing us your passion and your emotion. And even the falsetto at the end was just perfect and just absolutely stunning, a real contrast to the rest of the song. So I've got to say, massive well done, amazing performance.
Kelly, what did you think?
I actually wrote down, he's back. That's the first thing I wrote on my piece of paper, because after last week I think you took like a little bit of a lull, and then it was lovely to see you come back really fighting this week. I was just so impressed with our song choice. I know I said like make me cry, but I think you took me on like a whirlwind of emotion with that performance. You had like the husky growl, which really added that sort of like raw emotional like grittiness in it, and then at the falsetto at the end, it was just so chilling. I think I had goose pimples, I had chills, I had it all with that song. And I think that you should just, this is the where you sit well. This is what you need to be doing, this kind of genre that really sort of shows off what you're capable of with that voice. It was just, from now on, I want you to sort of like embrace this. Don't shy away from it. Just this is where you really shine, and I think we saw that because last week wasn't sort of like up to the standard that we know that you can bring. So very well done. You really embraced this theme so much. I can't express how proud I am of you and how proud you should be of that performance. Well done.
Yeah, Zach, I mean, in all honesty, as the song started, I was like, this is going to be interesting. And then it grew and it grew and it grew. And I think because you probably think that after the last time you did it, where you got to this point where you was really belting it all out, you probably think that, oh, I'm going to come back into this now and I'm going to show them something different that I haven't done before. But we actually don't want you to lose what you actually achieved from last time, because what you achieved with this was this massive range, and we want to see that because that's you, that's part of you. So like Kelly picked up, embrace it into whatever you bring forward from you. Take advantage of it throughout. Whatever song choice you do, doesn't mean you can't change the styles, but this is fab. Well done, buddy.